Amec Mechanical Construction Joint Stock Company is widely known as one of the most prestigious companies in Vietnam, specializing in fabricating, installing, repairing and maintaining EPC contracting for individuals and civil projects. Throughout 10 years of formation and development, in line with the philosophy of dedication, professional, creativeness, cooperation and humanity, Amec has always tried to affirm its position and capacity, becoming the brand which guarantees the success of the projects and is always a strategic partner of many big clients. Having the head office at Kilometer 35, Highway 10, Quốc Tuấn Commune, An Lão District, Haiphong City, a favorable location for trade and connectivity in roadway, waterway, and airway. With its location and potential, Amec has played a dispensable part in the port city's industrial landscape in the area of integration and development. Amec Mechanical Construction Joint Stock Company, formerly known as Lysemco 2 Joint Stock Company, was established in 2008 and officially changed its name to Amec Mechanical Construction Joint Stock Company in 2016. From the very beginning, the board of directors has coined the motto "Safety, Quality, Progress, Effectiveness" as a guideline for all activities. This message has become the motto of action of all employees in Amec Group. Being a strong corporate, Amec Group owns 10 subsidiaries, operating in the same direction as the common goal. Amec Mechanical Construction Joint Stock Company, Amec Galvanizing Company, Amec Weisheng Trading Company, MS Amec Joint Venture Company Limited, head office in Myanmar, Amec 1 branch, Amec 2 branch, representative office in Hanoi, representative office in Ho Chi Minh City, Quảng Ninh branch, Mecta Joint Stock Company. 10 years has not been long, but it is not short for Amec to assert its position, overcome many challenges and the non-stop varying of market. Amec is still sticking with the mission and motto. This itself has contributed to make Amec become the leading brand in the fields of fabrication, construction and installation, repair and maintenance. Amec's mission is to identify resources that are key to building a resource of more than 1,300 employees, including 1,120 direct employees, and the remainder is indirect employees. They are enthusiastic, experienced, active, and dedicated. Having completed big projects, meaning that Amec has the most advanced and modern equipment, including CNC plasma cutting machines, CNC drilling machines, 3D drilling machines, CNC plate shears, CNC sawing and drilling line for steel profile, automatic beam welding machines, cleaning and painting lines, heavy-duty cranes. The most advanced softwares are also constantly updated by Amec to optimize production activities such as Tekla software for design of structures, PVE Lite software for design of pressure vessels, PDMS software for design of process pipe. Amec has a design consultancy center with a team of experienced engineers who are trained in leading universities in Vietnam and overseas. Amec holds the full trust of the clients by affirming their safety procedures and quality management system through a series of important certification: OSAS, IOS 9001-2015, Master of Quality, ASME UNS. certification of 3 million hours of non-accidental work at Depth 2 Vinachem, welding certificates, and valuable confirmations. Amec is a professional fabricator of steel structures, non-standard equipment, prefabricated buildings, warehouse, steel columns, overhead cranes, lifting equipment, steel bridges, steel stack structure, repairing and building new ships. It's also the only enterprise of Vietnam fabricated passenger boarding bridges for airports. At the moment, Amec has 2 workshops of fabricating equipment and steel structures, with a total area of 210,000 square meters, equipped with modern imported technology line, with the capacity of about 30,000 tons per year. Installation is one of the strengths of Amec, which is confirmed through the Amec installation of a series of key projects in and outside the country. Steel structure of Central Control Building, Turbine House, Taiping Thermal Power Plant, Vũng Áng 1 Thermal Power Plant, Diamond Phosphate Fertilizer Plant No. 2 in Lào Cai, steel structure and equipment at Đình Vũ Polyester Factory, steam drum at Tuyên Quang Sugar Plant, pressure pipe system, Mông Dương 1 Thermal Power Plant, Hồng Phong Cement Plant, Hy Sum Electronics Plant, Nam An Bridge, Laos, and many other steel substructures, tanks, underground pipeline, process pipes with complex technical requirements. Amec has been repairing and maintaining equipment at big industrial plants with high precision requirements such as turbines, generators, boiler equipment in thermal power plants, and other types of technological equipment of cement plants, chemical plants, petrochemical refinery plants. The most typical activities are maintenance and repair of pipeline of Dung Quất Refinery Plant and Nghi Sơn Refinery Plant. Amec owns a company specializing in hot dip galvanizing, creating the galvanized product which have superior durability to meet the strict requirements of clients. With a large galvanized tank, it meets most of the objects made of carbon steel, especially large steel structures for specific industries, including transportation, communication, power transmission, industrial construction, according to the American and Australian standards. Amec is capable to work as an EPC contractor for construction and installation of power plants, cement plants, chemical plants. In recent years, Amec has constructed key industrial projects. The most typical work includes pressing the piles at Taiping Thermal Power Plant, construction of foundation, preparation of form work, pouring concrete pillars, and finishing civil work for some other projects. Striving to promote the tradition of international cooperation, increase access to foreign markets to gradually affirm, widely promote the brand in the international market. In the future, Amec is always on the lookout for the mission of providing safety, quality, progress, efficiency products, goal to core values of prosperity and trust from clients, as well as investors, constantly develop and increase the value of life for employees and society, affirming the positions of mechanical constructing of national stature, reaching the international stature. Coming to Amec, clients are completely assured by the right choice. With the motto of keeping the trust and the mind, Amec is always aiming at quality of works instead of commitments in all activities. From a primitive enterprise with outstanding efforts, Amec has reached the top of the strong brands in the field of mechanical construction in Vietnam. It can be affirmed that the prosperity in each country, each land that Amec passed by, left an impression of a youthful, energetic, enthusiastic, and full of responsibility for development in the community and society. In the trend of integration and development, with many difficulties and challenges, Amec is always ready to overcome difficulties to build a better future, marking the strength of Vietnam and also the intellectuals of Vietnam in the international market.